Hey, what's going on guys? I hope that all of you are doing great. Welcome in this new video. In today's video, I want to talk about one of the main reasons why most people fail in trading, why most people are not profitable, even if they know how to trade and they have a good idea of the market. A lot of people in those situations are still not profitable. And today I want to break down one of the main reasons why that is. Just before we start, as always, make sure you like the video, I would truly appreciate it, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel, that would mean a lot to me. So, what is this reason? Well, it's pretty simple, but it's still very important and a lot of people forget about it. When you trade, right, when you do a transaction on the market, you should do it with the idea of making money, right? You trade to make money, you trade to grow your account. That is the reason why you should get involved in a trade. But most people, they trade to trade, right? They trade because they want to trade, they want to be in the market, they want something to happen, right? So you really have to make the difference between trading to make money and trading to trade, right? And that is a small difference, but it actually makes all the difference. Because when you trade to make money, this mindset will allow you to only take the best opportunities out there, only the best, right? And this is what I focus on. You know, a lot of people ask me why or how do I have such a big win-lose ratio, right? Or how am I able to get an average risk-reward ratio of 4, 5, 10 to 1 sometimes. It depends on the sort of trades, but I usually have a very high risk-reward ratio and I also have a very high win-lose ratio. So how am I able to do this? Well, the answer is pretty simple. Of course, I know what I'm doing in the first place, but also I only take the best trades. I only take the best opportunities on the market. This is why on a daily or even on a weekly basis, I don't take that many trades, because there are not that many great opportunities on the market. A lot of the opportunities on the market are not worth to take, right? So you really have to go from a mindset of trading to trade to trading to make money, right? Because if you trade just to trade, well, you will lose money, because that is what we call over trading, right? You are trading something that should not even be traded in the first place. You are engaging yourself in transactions, in positions that you should not even be in the first place, because there is no opportunity. So before that you take a trade, always ask yourself these two questions. Number one, do I really want to have this position, right? Like, take a moment before you take the trade and ask yourself, do I really want to be in this trade? Am I seeing enough value on the market to really get into this trade? And number two, do I really want to risk my own capital on this position, right? Sometimes people seem to forget that when they take a trade, they are risking their money. So ask yourself this question: do you really want to risk your capital on this specific trade? Is it really worth it? Is it really what you should do with your money, right? So you see, it's all about thinking properly and asking yourself the right question. And when you have the right goal in the first place, which is trading to make money and not trading to trade, then you can be profitable with this mindset. But if you just trade to trade, you will never be profitable, right? Now, a big key around this concept is that most people don't realize it, that they are trading to trade. And this is where, the most important part of the video is. You maybe are trading to trade, but you don't even realize it. That is why it is really important to take a step back and to think about your trading and to ask yourself the right question, right? Because when people overtrade, when people take too many trades, it's not like on a conscious level, they're not like, oh my god, I want to have many trades, I want to take all the transactions. That's not what they are thinking, right? They still want to make money, but they have the wrong mindset about making money in trading. They think that because they take more trades, they will make more money. But that's actually the opposite. Because most of the trades that you will take will be losing trades if you take all the opportunities, right? So you are thinking that when you trade more, you make more money. No, that's the opposite. When you trade less, you make more money, right? So the whole idea in this video is to simply trade like a professional, right? You need to treat trading like a business, right? If you have a business and someone makes you an offer, are you going to accept all the offers, right? Are you going to take all the different contracts, all the different deals that people make you? No, right? You will only select the very best. Well, that's the same thing, right? You need to only put your eggs into the basket that can hold your eggs. You see what I mean? You need to only invest your capital where it actually makes sense to invest your capital, where there is actually value and a very good opportunity. And so this is what will make your account grow on the long term, not taking more and more and more trades, right? So most people, they trade to play, right? That's what it seems like. Most people trade to play. They trade for the fun of trading, for the fun of engaging in the market, right? They always want something to happen. They always want to have a position. Why is that, right? It should not be like that, right? Read about professional traders. Read around about the biggest hedge fund in the world. Well, you will see that a lot of them are trading more for the mid/long term, and they are not always involved in the market because sometimes there is just nothing to do, right? And if there is nothing to do, well, guess what? It's better to not do anything than trying to catch opportunities that are not even there in the first place, right? Let me repeat this. Most people try to catch opportunities that are not even there in the first place, right? They're trying to create opportunities on the market. And that is the wrong mindset to have because it will lead you to take trades that you should not even be taking in the first place. And well, after that, you will just lose money on the long term. So the whole idea of this video is, once again, less trades, but better trades, right? When you take a trade, always ask yourself the right questions. Do I really want to take this trade? Do I really want to invest and risk my money on this trade? Is it really a good opportunity? Is it worth taking this opportunity, right? So when you ask yourself all of those questions, then you can come up with a very clear vision of what is a good trade and what is a trade that you should not take. And at the end, well, you will become very selective, which is the goal, obviously, right? As I said, well, you don't want to catch all the opportunities, only the best one. So you will become very selective, and after that, you will take only the best opportunity, and therefore, you will increase your win-lose ratio and at the same time the risk-reward ratio. And this single thing alone, if you apply it, can literally change everything. I've seen people that were not profitable in the first place, and I basically told them what I just told you guys in this video, and they became profitable instantly, right? It can literally change everything. Sometimes this is the only thing that is missing in people's trade to really be profitable, right? A lot of people want to catch all the opportunities. You need to remove this mindset. Only catch the right and the best of the best of the best opportunities, right? Sometimes I don't take even one trade during the week. It happens, right? Guess why? Because there's nothing to do on the market, right? It's very simple. It always comes back to the same principle of trading to make money and trading to trade. Which one are you? And the answer will determine your trading results. Alright, so on that, I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you learned something from it. If you did, please leave a like under the video. I would truly appreciate it. And also make sure that you are subscribed to the YouTube channel if it's not already done. So yeah, on that, I will see you in my next video. Take care, trade with care, manage your money well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.